welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a lion character. So go ahead and get all of your drawing materials together and let's get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our lion characters. The first thing we want to do is draw a slightly curved line for the top of our lion's head. And we'll finish off the face with a really giant letter U shape, pretty much. So we'll want to come down, across, and back up. We'll want to start with the ears next. So we'll put 2 ears, 1 and 2. And probably my favorite part about drawing a lion character is drawing the mane. So we'll start with that. We're going to start up here pretty much between the 2 ears. And we're just going to make a series of curved lines that will come together and form the mane. So there we have the first half, and we can come back up here and move towards the other half. Now our lion's going to be sitting down, so we're going to draw a short curved line for the back of our lion character. And we'll curve that around, and that will end up being its back foot and leg here. Put in a couple lines here for the paws. And we'll do the 2 front legs next. And curve around just like we did before for that paw and up. Little toes there. And a little line in there. And the front paw. Curve around and all the way up here. We're going to add a little tail coming straight off the back here. And at the end of this tail, we'll add a little tuft of fur. Now for our lion's face, our lion's going to be mid-roar. So we're going to start a little bit higher than the center of our lion's face with a little upside down triangle for the nose. And we'll build our lion's muzzle around that. And like I said, our lion's going to be mid-roar, so we want to make sure that the lion's mouth is open. So we want to see our lion's tongue and a couple little teeth here as well. And then we can actually color in this center section here. All right, I want to add couple whiskers here. And our lion's eyes are going to be closed. So we're going to use 2 upside down letter U shapes there. And 2 eyebrows on top. Now we're going to add a few more details here. I'm going to add a little tuft of fur on top, and then just a couple little accent lines that take place just sporadically around the mane here. Just add a little texture to this area. All right, and then we can also suggest that our lion is sitting on the ground by using some dots and some lines. All right, illustrators, there we have the outline of our lion character. So the next step that we are going to do is add some color. So go ahead and grab your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our lion character. The last step we have to do is add our roar word. R-O-A-R. And we have to sign our names because every artist should always sign their work. Great job today, illustrators! I hope that you had a ton of fun drawing your lion characters with me. I hope to see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!